Hello everyone, today let's talk about the DG oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and metal, and its color is blue. This size is internal diameter is 68 and the external diameter is 90. The sinker is 10 and 1. It has with a spring. Look, the spring is very strong, and this oil seal also has a skeleton. This oil seal is a hub-shaped oil seal applicable to heavy truck, and it has with longer service life and more wear resistance, good pressure resistance, high temperature resistance, and oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water, thickened spring, and thickened skeleton. We also can customize the color and provide the customer the service. We can customize this size, this type, this material. If you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries, and we also can send you free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.